A very good evening. అందరికి నమస్కారం. ఎలా ఉన్నారు? First, my love to all the well-wishers here, all the brothers here. Happy to see you both standing next to each other. Ravi Teja Garu's fans and my well-wishers and my fans standing next to each other. In spite of a Tuesday evening, in spite of the evening showers, in spite of all the rain, to see the gallery, to see this crowd, a lot of respect to you. Thank you so much for coming here this evening. To all the photographers, to all the journalists, to all the TV channels and friends from the media and from the film industry and the entire unit and cast and crew, a very good evening. It's my pleasure always to be here, and these are few occasions I meet you in person, eye to eye, face to face. I don't want to miss these occasions, and thanks to Vamsi Garu for making this happen. It's always a pleasure to be here, and that too with our Mass Maharaja Ravi Teja Garu. I go back in my memories. I think it was 2005-2006 shock film. It was almost 20 years memories I go back. Today I speak like a fanboy. I want to share my fanboy moments with him. If Karthi was here, if Jyotika was here, and they would be speaking much more than what I can share, because they have spent personal moments, a lot of moments with him. When I take his name at home, be it Karthi, be it Jyotika Garu, or be it Gnanavel, or any friends from the industry, when I say take Ravi Teja Garu's name, it's not a smile, but it's a laughter. They have a lot of things to share. They only laugh and share so many incidences which they have had together. As a fan, I should say this. If explosive energy has a human form, then it is Ravi Teja Garu here. And lots of respect to all the fans here, his fans here assembled here for been celebrating him for so many decades. This bond is beautiful to see each other giving this love, unconditional love for so many years is so nice. I think he's the best when he brings the common man to life on screen and make them king size. And nobody else, I think, makes it as real and as convincing as possible. I think Ravi Teja Garu, he does that with so much ease. He brings the native culture, native touch, and he gives the best to those characters and makes the common man live king size, I think, on screen. Been a big fan of his work. And also, to me, laughter is the toughest and the greatest art form. And he does that with his own ease. He's got his own way of entertaining audience for decades, entertaining the gallery for so many years, and he has made millions of Telugu audience laugh. Manasara sirikradhu solluvaanga, adu vandu varsha kanakka adu pannittu irukkaruna. It's not easy at all to do this repeatedly for so many years. So even in here, there in Tamil, be it Idiot, be it Kick, of course, Vikramakudu was a big turning point for Karthi. Sirthai was a very important film for Karthi. So as a brother, I'm again thankful for that art form which changed Karthi's career also. Anga Tamiliyum, without subtitle, without dubbing, all your films have been watched, and that's the power you have on screen. That's the way you entertaining Tamil audience also. Very few people have that skill. I think Rajini sir has that comic timing, and Bachchan Saab has got, and you being a huge fan of Bachchan sir, you've been doing this for decades. Keep entertaining us for many more decades. I think this October 31st will be Ravi Te Jatra. It'll be his festival. It'll be a festival this 31st October. I'm sure all of you going to celebrate this. Rajendra Prasad Garu, thank you so much for all the lovely words you said. It means a lot to me. Srileela, looking forward for this film and also for your Tamil film with Sudha. Really looking forward for that. Naveen, all the best to you and to the entire cast here. And Vidhu, we're supposed to work, should work very soon. To the editor Naveen, sir, all the best for this film. And Banu, it's amazing to see the love you have for Ravi Teja Garu, for writing for all the directors' films means a lot. And again, Ravi Teja Garu, you keep reminding us, all of us, you, me, all of us, dreams come true. So for so many years, from you all must be knowing, from being a assistant director to supporting actor, and now to Mas Maharaja, in life, dreams come true, and he keeps reminding us about that. So wishing this October 31st to be a blockbuster day. Wishing you all happiness on that day. And Vamshi Garu, thank you so much for making all the films, all the lovely films. I think he's got some 8-10 releases coming this year. I'm really having a good time working under his production and with Venki. Wishing all of you at Sitara the best of happiness for this release. I hope I have not missed anyone. And Beams Garu, I've not, yeah. It was lovely to see you on stage. I saw the love and respect you have for Ravi Teja Garu. Amazing songs. They're already chartbusters. Someday we should work together. Lots of love. Have a fantastic evening. And thank you again for giving this unconditional love. As always, we prema kavali. Thank you so much for this lovely evening. Good night. See you soon. See you soon in theaters.
తమిళ్లో మిమ్మల్ని మర్చిపోయాను అబ్బాయి, సారీ. మీతో ఒక విషయం చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నా. మొన్నటిదాకా మీ అందరి గురించి చిరాకు తెప్పించాను తెలుసు నాకు. ఈ సినిమాది ఇంకా అలాంటిది జరగదు. ఇట్స్ మై ప్రామిస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. జై సినిమా.